They don't tell you this enough. But after 60, you can eat protein every single day and still lose muscle. Not because you're doing something wrong, but because your body is no longer responding the same way. And here's where it gets surprising. There is one extremely cheap food that doesn't just give you protein. It actually helps your body use that protein better than eggs in certain conditions. Most people overlook it because it's too simple, too common, almost underestimated. In this video, we're going to break down 5 muscle-building foods, starting from the most familiar ones, and moving step by step toward that one underrated food that could change how your body rebuilds strength after 60. Stay with me, because the last one is not what most people expect. Before we go further, drop your age in the comments, because after 60, something very specific happens inside your body. Research shows that muscle protein synthesis becomes less responsive, meaning your muscles don't grow as easily, even when you eat well. This is one of the key drivers of sarcopenia. Now here's the part most people miss. It's not just about eating protein anymore. It's about choosing foods that activate, support, and enhance how your body uses that protein. Let's start from the base. The first food is eggs, still one of the most complete protein sources you can eat. They contain all essential amino acids, especially leucine, which acts like a trigger for muscle repair. But here's the limitation. Eggs provide the signal, not always the full environment your muscles need to grow efficiently after 60. The second food is chicken, clean, lean, effective. It gives your body a solid dose of protein without excess fat. It's reliable, and that's why so many people depend on it. But again, it mainly delivers building blocks, not necessarily the enhancers that improve how those blocks are used. The third food is Greek yogurt. Now things start to shift, because beyond protein, it improves gut health. And this matters more than people think. After 60, digestion weakens. If your gut isn't working well, your body won't absorb nutrients efficiently. Greek yogurt helps correct that. Now we move into a different level. The fourth food is lentils. Most people underestimate them. They're not just plant protein. They bring fiber, minerals, and slow-digesting energy. This combination helps stabilize blood sugar and reduce inflammation, 2 factors that directly influence muscle preservation. Now stay with me, because this last one changes the game. The number 1 cheap food that can outperform eggs in supporting muscle growth after 60 is sardines. Not because they have more protein, but because they do something eggs don't fully do alone. Sardines contain omega-3 fatty acids, and this is critical. Research shows that omega-3s can increase your muscles' sensitivity to protein. In simple terms, they help your body respond better to what you eat. They also provide vitamin D, which supports muscle function, and calcium, which helps with contraction and strength. So instead of just feeding your muscles, sardines optimize the entire system around them. And here's the real advantage. They're cheap, accessible, and incredibly dense in nutrients. This is where most people get it wrong. They focus only on protein quantity. But after 60, efficiency matters more than quantity. Here's the truth. Eggs are powerful, but sardines make your body use protein better, and that changes everything over time. Now think about your current routine. Are you just eating protein? Or are you actually helping your body use it effectively? Drop it in the comments. Because sometimes, the smallest change in what you eat can create the biggest shift in how strong you feel.